Hi guys, Simon here with the daily direction prediction for the 13th of December. That'll be Wednesday the 13th of December. I've got a couple of Aussie pairs I'm looking at which I'm quite interested in. I'll go through them bit by bit. So Aussie dollar I quite like at the moment. It's this 0.75 has a little bit of a level there. It's moved up quite nicely here. I know it's got a semi-high test there as such, but when you look onto the intraday, that's because price moved up then come back down again. And what it done on the 1 hour chart, it tested the let's set the 1 hour chart up for you guys. Sorry, what in the 1 hour chart is it's come up and come back down again, put a high low and put a test of Fibonacci of 0.5. I've already entered. I felt that it was a good entry here. It's just coming down to the pivot a bit more now, so anywhere around here is quite nice. Targeting just the Fibonacci extension around this level here of 759. It's quite a nice level there. So that's a 1.2% trade or so. The fact that it has actually done a nice Fibonacci pullback, it's done it now twice. I'm quite happy to have a tight stop there. Had it not done that, then I wouldn't be so happy. Likewise, even anything else, the whole entire pattern has done the 382 pullback. And obviously, in between my stop and price, you've got the pivot, you've got the 1 hour 50 EMA, and I suppose you can put this trend line in here somewhere along there. There we are. So I've entered there. My stop's at 7534 actually it's at. So yeah, I've got a lot between that and my stop, and you've got this level here as well of 7545, which is an ultra mini level on the lower time frames, but it's there. So you've got quite a lot in the way there. So I like that one. The other one you have is Aussie Kiwi. Here we are. So Aussie Kiwi's got a test of 1.087. Overextended run to the downside. You've got RSI overbought now, oversold, sorry, so you can get a nice move up, could be nice here. I know it's a bit premature, just an inside low test, but when you look on the intraday has actually given us a double bottom, break up and come back down here again. So for me, this is the first part of the trend changing, and if it was me, I'd be targeting the highs around here. The only thing here though you have to respect is, or understand, that we're still trading into the 1 hour 50 EMA, so you may want to wait until it closes but makes a new high. So maybe R1 for example, you could do that. It depends exactly how you feel about the actual 1 hour 50, but there, that kind of trade, that you can get a 1.5% trade there as well, very similar to Aussie dollar. The other one we got is pound Aussie as well. So pound, the pound's moved down for 3 days now in this pair. It's definitely drew a pullback, and there's some value there as well. Let me show that quickly. So the whole here we are. Here we've got this trend line here, this upward sloping trend line, which has broken very nicely to the downside. It's making some mini bullish pressure now. So the little double bottom there, it should trend upwards. If it tests R1 and respects R1, that means it respected the 1 hour 50 as well. It'd be quite nice for that one. And likewise, the 4 hour chart would be in virtually the same place. The 4 hour and 1 hour 50 are in the same place there. So if you got respect to the 1 hour 50, you got respect to the 4 hour 50, and you got respect to this upward sloping trend line, little test there as well. That'd be nice to the downside as well. Again, you've got a couple of things you can do here. So say you get entry there, you can most likely put your stop quite tight there, because once you test all these levels, it's got quite a lot to go through. And if you just test the basic Fibonacci, again 1.7% profit, but you've got to wait a little bit more for this to develop. And that's about all I've got for the moment, guys. Any questions, give us a shout. Take care.